Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, make sure that your device supports UEFI before attempting to convert the disk to GPT, as the firmware must be reconfigured to boot in UEFI mode. Our video on how to change BIOS mode from legacy to UEFI might help you. The link is in the description below. Now, while you are in the Windows setup screen, press the Shift key plus F10, and that will open the command prompt. Type disk part, then hit Enter. Type list disk, then hit Enter. Identify the disk you want to convert. In my case, it's disk 0. Type select disk 0, then hit Enter. In my case, it's disk 0. For you, the number might be different, so make sure to choose the right disk number. Type clean, then hit Enter. This will delete all partitions and data from the selected disk. Type convert GPT, then hit Enter. Type exit, then hit Enter. Type exit, then hit Enter. Now continue your Windows installation, but after Windows restarts, get into the BIOS or UEFI and change the boot mode to UEFI if you haven't already done so. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.